Kasngi sedang jonga Dorbar liur jonga Rajya Sabha kepala sedang menta kasngi ke arpo terik naitung arjar arpulai hakapor khat arbaje nok pai sngi kelalong ketma ya tainya kepala klik ba halor kijingja Manipur hado kepala pelong yu Chairman ujak dip dankar ban penkendria ya ke yeng jonga jingya tai hado ke arbaje nok pai sngi jonga joi ke sngi kaliang persya mari sedang ke Dorbar kala dawa bandon ke jingya tai kat kum ke rule arspa andrupinyo Mari sedang ke Dorbar Chairman Ujagdip dankar ula pedang iki prateli ki notice pla ai de ki dekat ke yeng nak benta banyatai lingkot kat kum ke rule unong ilam kaliang sensyar Piyush Goyal ong ke Sorkar kampersya ya ke jingetai bakalong kloy banyatai hakapor bo Chairman ula penbra bo ailat iki notice nak benta ke jingetai lingkot halor ke jingja Manipur unong ilam kaliang persya Malikarjun Kharge ula yeng man pen sngo ya kanya jong jing sngo bom ya ha pat ban ong babaro ki kam ki badai kat kum go business of the house de ban pen sange shwa pat bakin notice na ka benta ban ya tai lor ka Manipur kat kum ka rule arspa andrupinyo de ban penya chikmat Malikarjun Kharge ula ong yo Chairman kumnu unong ilam kaliang sensyar un yeng pat bangi long kloy ban ya tai ngiladap ban ai ka notice sapok ka rule arspa andrupinyo ban pensange shwaya baro ki kam ki belabu renti aka business of the house ayu menteri rang bakdo un ai ka jingtho pat ngin yatai na lor kania jong Malikarjun Kharge u Derek O'Brien na ka TMC ru ula yeng ban dawa kumjo pat ong ba menteri rang bakdo ude ban krenno halor ki jingja ha Manipur ha ka Dorbar.
Members, that panel of vice chairpersons has been reconstituted with effect from 17th of July 2023 with the following members. Shrimati P.T. Usha, Shrimati S. Fangonon Konak, Dr. Fozia Khan, Shrimati Sulata Dev, Shri V. Vijay Sai Reddy, Shri Ghanshyam Tiwari, Dr. L. Hanumanthaya, and Shri Sukhendu Sekhar Ray. Honorable members will be happy to note that 50% of the vice chairpersons happen to be women. Honorable members, there is yet another announcement. Okay. I have to inform honorable members that I had received a letter dated the 11th April 2023 from Sri Louis Jinho Joaquim Valerio, member representing the state of West Bengal, resigning his seat in the Rajya Sabha. I have accepted his resignation with effect from the 11th April 2023. Honorable members, I have received 12 notices under Rule 176 for short duration discussion. 3 notices on concerns over recent train accident and railway safety from Sri A.D. Singh, Srimati J.B. Mather Isam, Dr. Ami Yaznik. 1 notice is over unemployment issue from Sri A.D. Singh. Remaining 8 notices on the issues in Manipur, they are from Sri Birendra Prasad Bashe, Sri Brijlal, Sri Rakesh Sinha, Sri A.D. Singh, Professor Manoj Kumar Jha, Dr. John Britas, Srimati Ranjit Ranjan.
Sir, on behalf of the government, we are ready for a discussion on Manipur. And there is absolutely no problem with accepting this resolution, this notice.
Honorable members, honorable members, short, honorable members, short duration discussion prescriptions are very clear, that any member within his right can give a notice to that effect. That notice is required to be considered by the chairman whether it is to be admitted or not, and thereafter in consultation with the leader of the Council of States, time has to be fixed. Now, since the leader of the House has volunteered that the government is keen for discussion on Manipur, I find the notices in order. One at a time. Sit down. Honorable members, the government is ready for a discussion on Manipur issues, and as the government has agreed, honorable members, please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Take your seat. Honorable LOP, for a minute, please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please take your seat. Please take your seat, all of you. I will hear everyone. You see, short duration discussion on Manipur issues has come to be demanded under Rule 176 by various members. I have indicated their names to you. So members are keen to engage in discussion over Manipur issues.
Sir, 267 is a notice. You lost rule on 267. You roll on 267. 176 will come later.
I'll come to. I'll come to 267 also. Next item is 267. One second. Sit down. Leader of the opposition, please. No, 1 second, sir. Please take it.
Humbly request you.
One second, sir. Everyone. Yes, go ahead, sir.
Sir, respected sir, I'm very sorry, sir. You always speak about the procedure and all other things.
Is anything wrong with it, sir?
No, I am telling you.
Why are you sorry about it?
No, 1 minute.
Why should a senior man like to be sorry about it?
But I complete.
What is there to be sorry about?
I complete. You allow me to. Next sentence.
But don't be sorry about it. All of us must follow procedure.
No, I am following. Sir, I am following. That's why I kept quiet. I raised my finger.
But you are holding the floor, sir. I allow you to hold the floor.
But
continue, sir.
How a leader of the House suddenly get up and we are ready, because the agenda is not read fully, because we have also given notice 267, suspension of business under Rule 267 on this day, and that is pertaining to thus you have to suspend all other business and take up this, not half an hour, not on
Honorable members,
sir,
honorable members,
let call Pradhan Mantri give statement.
One second.
We will discuss.
One second. Honorable members, we have business listed. 267 is the next item. I have to go sequentially. I will be taking all issues. But let me tell honorable members, one second. Let me tell honorable members, short duration discussion, take your seat. Short duration discussion has 3 facets. One, every member of the House is entitled to give a notice for short duration discussion. Honorable members have availed that opportunity and they have sent notices to me. I have considered those notices. The second stage is that under the rule, under the mandate of the rule, I have to consult date and time from the leader of the house. That is, one second.
Sir, I have a point of order.
Yes. Yes.
Sir,
One second.
my point of order is only one.
One.
It is on page 92. And the rule here, sir, is very clear.
Which rule?
267 rule. I'm reading 267, the first line. Page 92 says,
I'm on this
any
agenda.
rule be suspended in its application to a motion to the business listed before the council of the day, the rule in question shall be suspended for the time being. This means no other business till 267 is discussed first. Where does 176 come into this? There's no 176. It is on 267, and we want a discussion here on Manipur. We want a discussion, and the Prime Minister has to open his mouth.
One second.
Manipur. How can he open it?
Honorable member.
How is the Prime Minister of India? How is the Prime Minister?
Honorable.
Come here and speak on Manipur.
Honorable